Another great challenge that I had just started with a lot of great YouTube creators. Craft room organization challenge, and mine definitely needs it. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh. My room has been a disaster, I would say, for the last month and a half. I did the 12 days of Christmas challenge plus a few other challenges in between there and started a new job. So, don't have no time and everything just piled up on the table, and so now I'm going to declutter it and throw a lot of stuff away and donate a lot of stuff that I don't need anymore. So, let's get started with this challenge, and thank you for being with me during this cleanup. This will be part one of it. There will be another part due to the fact that I have the other side of the room where I shoot all my videos and edit all my videos. That will be in the next part two. Craft Organization Challenge. The host for this is Teresa B. DIY, and the co host is Happiness Created. Thank you very much for letting me be part of this collaboration, and you guys all have a wonderful 2022. I got this much done. Stay tuned. There will be a part two. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, how about